Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? I hope you are all fine and stay at home. This is the lecture for class 6 and 7 and subject English. Today we will recall the tense past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. As our previous lectures was about the present continuous, now it's time to revise our past continuous tense. 7 class, just listen and see the all activities that I will do in this video. And 6 class, this is your proper lecture, and you will after that I will give you the diary and you will solve it. Okay, and for 7 class, this is just for to recall your past continuous tense. I know you have done it in your class. Okay, past continuous tense, continuous means something going on but not completed. It means that there is something that is going on continuously, but there is no end. So past continuous definition, we can say that a continue action in the past time is called past continuous tense. A continue action, एक action continuous चलता जा रहा है in the past and it is not completed, time is called past continuous. Here in Urdu we can say that at the end of the sentence रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे वगैरह आता है. Like there are example, हम रमज़ान के रोज़े रख रहे थे. रहे show that it is continuous and थे show that it is past. So it is the indication of the sentence that it is past continuous. बच्चा रो रहा था, वो स्कूल जा रही थी. Is that clear now? So past continuous, a continue action in past time is called past continuous. Let's have a look on some other sentences. Students, some here sentences are वो सेब खा रहा था, वो दौड़ रहे थे, हम खत लिख रहे थे, तुम अपना इंतज़ार कर रहे थे, तुम मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहे थे, लड़के फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे, मैं खाना खा रहा था, हम बाग में बैठ रहे थे. These are all related to past continuous tense. Is that clear now? मैं सवालात हल कर रहा था. So it's time to recall our formation of past continuous tense. Students, here we have the affirmative formation. It means that मस्बत जुमले की जो formation है वो बताई गई है. First of all, we put the subject at the start of the sentence, and after that helping verbs are was and were according to the subject. If there is singulars, then we use was, and if there are plural, then we use were. Was and were indicate that it is past. An ing form, what we can say, present participle in short form, we say that ing form it indicate that it is continuous. So was, were plus ing form is for past continuous. Was, were plus ing form, and after that we put the object and it is equal to past continuous. Here are the example of these sentences. हम रमज़ान के रोज़े रख रहे थे. we के साथ क्या आएगा? were. We were keeping Ramadan fast. बच्चा रो रहा था. The child was crying. Was ing form. Were ing form according to subject. She was going to school. She was going to school. Okay, students, now recall our again definition. A continue action in the past time is called past continuous. रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे वगैरह आता है. बच्चा रो रहा था. The child was crying. थी और था के लिए हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं was और were, और रहे और रही को शो करने के लिए हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं continuous यानी ing form या present participle form. Okay, that is the formation of the past continuous. Subject was, were, ing form and object. Here is another example. तोता खुशी से गा रहा था. The parrot was singing happily. The parrot was singing happily. Was shows that it is past, and ing form shows that it is continuous. The parrot was singing past continuous. So we have negative formation as well. First we put the subject at the start of the sentence. After that was and were to show that it is past. After that we use not for making it negative, and after that we use present participle, it means ing form, and after that object. It means that we can say that the parrot was not singing. तोता खुशी से गा नहीं रहा था, हैप्पीली. ओके, सो हेयर इज द एग्जाम्पल. तुम अखबार नहीं पढ़ रहे थे. तुम अखबार पढ़ रहे थे. यू वर रीडिंग द न्यूज़ पेपर. दैट इज एफर्मेटिव, इट मीन्स पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. और तुम अखबार नहीं पढ़ रहे थे. यू वर नॉट रीडिंग न्यूज़ पेपर. वर नॉट रीडिंग according to formation. After that we have interrogative formation. First we use was and were at the start of the sentence for interrogative to show that it is interrogative. After that we put the subject and ing form and plus object, and after that we put question mark. Question mark is very necessary for interrogative sentences. Here is the example. क्या तुम अखबार पढ़ रहे थे? Were you reading newspaper? Question mark. Were you reading newspaper? Question mark. It means that past continuous continuously happening in the past action but not completed, and we use was, were plus ing form for past continuous. If we make both of them together, it means that negative and interrogative. What we can say that were you not reading newspaper? क्या तुम अखबार नहीं पढ़ रहे थे? Present interrogative plus negative. So student, let me explain some W's question. Some students get confusion about it. What are these questions and how we make the sentences with these questions. If there is at the we can say that W question in easy words. W question होते क्या? What are W question? जिसमें where, what, why, when, how, who इस तरह के words use हुए हैं. ठीक है, तो उसकी फॉर्मेशन ये लिखी हुई है, पर हम पहले वो सेंटेंस पढ़ लेते हैं. बच्चा क्यों रो रहा था? देयर इज क्यों, वाई. सो देयर इज द फॉर्मेशन. फर्स्ट वी पुट द W क्वेश्चन, जो भी लिखा होगा वाज, वर, व्हाट, वेयर, हाउ, हु, उसके फौरन बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगता है. ये सब सेंटेंसेस पे आप इसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं फॉर्मेशन को, इसलिए मैंने जस्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब लिखा है. हेल्पिंग वर्ब पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस के कौन से हैं? वाज और वर. तो जहाँ पे हु आएगा तो हु के बाद क्या आ जाएगा? वाज और वर में से एक चीज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट इज बच्चा, तो बच्चा चाइल्ड. चाइल्ड क्या है? फिर सब्जेक्ट है, तो फिर यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? वाज. हु वाज, नहीं सॉरी, वाई. वाई, सॉरी, वाई, क्यों? वाई वाज चाइल्ड. ing फॉर्म वीपिंग भी लिख सकते हैं, क्राइंग भी लिख सकते हैं. प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे नहीं यूज हुआ था, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे यूज नहीं किया. वाई वाज द चाइल्ड वीपिंग. W क्वेश्चन, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, सब्जेक्ट एंड ing फॉर्म. ये इस तरह से सॉल्व होते हैं. ठीक है, सबसे पहले आपने वाई, व्हाट, व्हेन, हाउ, हु, वेयर वो लिखना है. उसके बाद आपने हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाना है. और पास का हेल्पिंग वर्ब वाज और वर है, उसमें से अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट जो आएगा वो लगाना है. और उसके बाद फिर आपने सब्जेक्ट और उसके बाद ing फॉर्म और उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट. हियर इज अ एग्जांपल ऑफ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. हम खत कब लिख रहे थे? कब यानी व्हेन. सो व्हेन वर वी राइटिंग अ लेटर. When were we writing a letter? When W question, were, helping verb. बच्चे इसको where पढ़ते हैं, but it is were. अब आप अपने दिमाग में दफ़ा बिठा लें, जब where आता है तो फिर age आता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे age नज़र आ रहा है, नहीं, ये were है. were helping verb. When were we writing a letter? हम खत कब लिख रहे थे? question mark. और ये question W question इनको कहा जाता है. ठीक है, in easy way. So students, now let's some do practice of past continuous. वो अखबार पढ़ रही थी. She was reading the newspaper. वो सेब खा रहा था. मेरे साथ साथ आपने पढ़ना है. ओके, क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? वो सेब खा रहा था. He was eating an apple. वो दौड़ रहे थे. They were running. हम खत लिख रहे थे. We were writing a letter. तुम मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहे थे. You were waiting for me. सूरज चमक रहा था. The sun was shining. घोड़ा पानी पी रहा था. The horse was drinking water. हम बाग में बैठ रहे थे. We were sitting in the garden. मैं खाना खा रहा था. I was eating food. लड़के फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. The boys were playing the football. वो चाय बना रही थी. She was making tea. अवैस एक मजमून लिख रहा था. अवैस was writing an essay. वो अपना वक्त ज़ाया कर रहा था. He was wasting his time. मैं सवालात हल कर रहा था. I was solving sums. SUMS sums कहते हैं सवालात को. वो पढ़ रहे थे. They were reading. Are you enjoying it? So let's have an exercise. Another you will solve with me. Sentences are not difficult. You just have to keep in your mind all the formation and you will make it easily, and also convert it into present to past, past to perfect, perfect to continuous. It's up to you if you learn and practiced a lot of the sentences and the formation. So let's start. Fatima dash food in the kitchen. Past continuous banana. Past continuous means was, were plus ing. Fatima was cooking, were cooking, cooked, all of these. What is the right answer? Can you find it? Yes, it is this one. Was cooking, because there is a singular Fatima. The sun, if there was plural, then we use were cooking. Okay, the sun was dash in the west. Setting was setting. Was is already there, so we put C option is right option. After that, we were not dash anybody. We were not dash anybody. Abuse, abuses, abused, abusing. The right answer is D, because ing form. Were they not dash their sums? देखिए मैंने अभी were पढ़ दी. That is not, that is were. W-E-R-E, were, helping verb. Were they not dash their sums? Solving, solve, solve, solves. What is the right answer? You will tell me. A. Very good. The goat and the cow dash in the field. Was grazing, were grazing, grazes, was grazed. The right answer is goat and cow. Plural, were grazing. He was not dash a kite. He was not, C option, flying a kite. Dash I dash my time. Interrogative. Was I wasting my time? क्या मैं अपना टाइम ज़ाया कर रहा हूँ? Were, where, that is where. देखिए मुझे खुद कन्फ्यूजन हो गई है. was को were और were को where. That is was, that is were and that is where. Where मतलब कहाँ. वेयर के बाद मैंने आपको बताया था क्या आएगा, फॉरन हेल्पिंग वर्ब. तो वेयर के बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब कैसे लगेगा, जब हम इस सब्जेक्ट को देख लेंगे. तो सब्जेक्ट क्या है, यू. तो क्या आएगा यहाँ पे, वर. वेयर वर यू सिंगिंग लास्ट नाइट. तो सो राइट आंसर इज बी. उसके बाद द पियन डैश द डोर. द पियन डैश द डोर. Was not closing, were not closing, was not closed, none of these. Was not closing, A option. Are you enjoying it? Yes, very good. Now we have the last one, 10th. Why dash the baby crying? Why? अभी मैंने आपको करवाया अभी है, बच्चा क्यों रो रहा था. Why के बाद क्या आएगा, हेल्पिंग वर्ब. हेल्पिंग वर्ब किसको देख के आएगा, के मुताबिक आएगा, सब्जेक्ट के मुताबिक. सब्जेक्ट क्या है, द बेबी. So the baby is singular, so we put here was. Why was the baby crying? So student, I hope you have learnt a lot of things about the past continuous and W's question as well. Here is a translation for the 6th class, not for the 7. Just recall the all concepts and keep in mind. Okay, so 6th class, this is for you. Write the sentences on your notebook and then translate it into English. हम दूध नहीं पी रहे थे. These are all past continuous. ठीक है. अली अखबार पढ़ रहा था. क्या सूरज चमक रहा था. माली पौधों को पानी नहीं दे रहा था. क्या हम लाहौर जा रहे थे. So write it on your notebooks with proper mentioning date and day, and fill your index, and after that you will translate into English, and these are all past continuous. And after that you have sentences making. 6th class, this is for you. Bring up. Bring up, परवरिश करना या पालना. You will make sentences of your own. Bring up, परवरिश करना या पालना. Console, तसल्ली देना. Console, तसल्ली देना. Faint, बेहोश हो जाना. faint, बेहोश हो जाना. So these are the three sentences you will these are the three words, vocabulary words you will learn it by heart with the proper meaning, and after that you will make your sentences. Dear students, today's your diary is 6th class. This is diary for you, not for the 7th class. 7 just revise the concept of past continuous. So diary for the 6th class is learn vocabulary words. These three vocabulary: faint, console, and the first one is up. And you will make the sentences plus translation and sentences on notebook. Sentences और translation आप notebook पे करेंगे. words मैंने आपको दे दिए हैं 3, और उसके बाद आपने इस concept को अच्छी तरह से देखना है. ओके, have a good night and Allah Hafiz.